Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce coffee expenses with Starbucks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by evaluating your current Starbucks spending habits. Keep track of your daily or weekly purchases to see where your money goes. Next, consider joining the Starbucks Rewards program if you haven't already. This program allows you to earn points on every purchase, which can be redeemed for free drinks and food. To maximize your rewards, always use the Starbucks app for ordering and payment. Look out for double star days, where you can earn twice the points on your purchases. Set a budget for your coffee expenses each month to prevent overspending. Limit visits to Starbucks to special occasions or certain days of the week. Explore seasonal promotions and limited time offers to take advantage of discounts. Consider making your favorite Starbucks drinks at home using similar ingredients. Research recipes online for popular drinks like the pumpkin spice latte or cold brew. Invest in a quality coffee maker, which can save you money in the long run. Bring your own reusable cup to the store to receive a discount on your drink. Whenever possible, ask for modifications to your order that can cut costs, like a smaller size or fewer add-ons. Use the Starbucks app to find out about local deals or discounts that may not be widely advertised. Pay attention to happy hour promotions where select drinks might be offered at reduced prices. Finally, remember that enjoying coffee doesn't have to come at a high cost. Small adjustments can lead to significant savings over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.